Hi, this is Joyce Miller, the Reference and Instruction Librarian. When you get to the library's homepage, where should you start searching? There's the big search box, and there's also research by subject over here. Use the big search box if you're looking for books or if you just want to do a quick search. Use research by subject boxes if you're working on a research assignment for class. Here's the difference. The big search box does a broad, shallow, fast search of about 100 of our 120 book, article, and video databases. It does not search all of the databases, and for speed's sake, it's just a shallow search. So go here if you don't know where else to start, or if you just need a couple of quick articles, or if you want to search for books, because it does search our book catalog. See videos on this page for directions on how to do that. Now over here, research by subject, go here if you have a specific research assignment for a course. It's organized by subjects such as business, English, health, so forth. The SUNY Adirondack librarians have worked with your instructors to create customized web pages linking to specific databases for your individual assignments, such as these. So, for instance, you can click this, and you get right into specific databases that are great for the controversial issues research assignments. You get great results fast, and it might save you some time. As always, please make sure to ask a librarian for help. Thanks.